Welcome to Best Choice. The best phone batteries is probably one of the most critical components of your smartphone experience, directly impacting everything from your daily productivity and communication to entertainment and emergency preparedness, making the right choice absolutely essential for anyone who relies heavily on their device throughout the day, ensuring you're never caught with a dead phone when you need it most and can fully enjoy all its features without constant power anxiety. Number 5. Anker 621 Magnetic Portable Charger, MagGo. Thanks to new mini-cell technology, it offers identical charging performance with fewer components. This makes it incredibly compact and lightweight. Measuring just 4.13 by 2.62 by 0.45 inches and weighing only 4.41 ounces, it easily attaches to your phone. You can effortlessly carry it in your bag, purse, or pocket. It features ultra-strong magnets that firmly attach to the back of your iPhone 15 or 14. This allows you to take selfies, make calls, and more, all with one hand. Simply align your iPhone and this battery for an instant connection. You can say goodbye to frustrating disconnection issues often caused by wireless charging misalignment. Rest assured, it meets international safety standards for safe operation. With your purchase, you receive the magnetic battery itself, a 23.6-inch USB-C to USB-C cable, and a welcome guide. It also comes with a worry-free 24-month warranty and friendly customer service. What we like. This magnetic power bank is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go charging. Its strong magnetic attachment ensures a secure connection, so you can use your phone freely while it charges. If you're always on the move and need a discreet, reliable power boost that stays put, this is your ideal companion. What people say. Number 4. Anker 321 MagGo Battery, PowerCore Magnetic 5K. Introducing the Anker 321 MagGo Battery, your essential power companion. It's perfectly compatible with your iPhone 15, 14, 13, and 12 series, ensuring you stay charged wherever you are. Measuring just 3.7 by 2.5 inches, this sleek device easily slips into your pocket or bag. Its compact design makes it the ideal travel companion, keeping your phone powered on the go. With a robust 5,000 mAh capacity, it delivers significant extra power. You can enjoy up to 19 hours of additional video playtime for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Your safety is paramount. This device is equipped with NTC sensors that diligently monitor temperatures over 7,000 times per hour, ensuring a consistently safe charging experience. Experience ultimate convenience with its pass-through charging capability. You can seamlessly charge your iPhone while it's also recharging, so you never have to wait. Inside the box, you'll find the battery itself and a welcome guide. It also comes with an 18-month warranty and friendly customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This sleek power bank offers a compact design, fitting easily into any pocket or bag. It prioritizes safety with advanced temperature monitoring, ensuring a secure charge for your device. If you value peace of mind and the convenience of charging your phone while the power bank itself recharges, this model is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Panasonic HHR 4DPA 4B AAA NiMH Rechargeable Batteries 4-pack. These batteries are crafted by Panasonic in their own factory, ensuring authentic OEM quality. You can trust their reliable performance. Specifically designed for cordless phones, they are engineered to deliver long-lasting performance. Experience extended usage with these reliable power sources. With up to 750 mAh power, they provide significantly more talk time. Enjoy longer conversations without interruption. When your original DECT phone batteries wear out, these are the ideal replacement. They will restore outstanding performance to your device. Each pack contains 4 of these high-quality rechargeable batteries. They are securely packaged and ready for use in your cordless phones. What we like. These are genuine OEM quality batteries, specifically designed for cordless phones. They provide long-lasting performance and significantly extend your talk time. If you need reliable replacements for your DECT cordless phone that deliver maximum performance and longer conversations, these are perfect. What people say. Number 2. Vtech AT&T Cordless Phone Replacement Batteries, 4-pack. Is your cordless phone losing its charge too quickly? Don't let dead batteries interrupt your conversations. This 4-pack of replacement batteries is designed to bring your devices back to life. These batteries are engineered to fit a vast array of popular cordless phone models. They ensure your communication devices remain fully functional and reliable. Check the list to see if yours is included. Specifically, they are compatible with numerous Vtech models, including CS, DS, IS, LS, and SN series. You can easily replace your old battery with one of these high-quality units. Enjoy extended talk time and standby. Many AT&T cordless phone models, such as those in the CRL, EL, TL, and CL series, will also benefit from these replacements. Restore optimal performance to your essential home or office communication tools. Keep your connection strong. Each battery provides 2.4 volts and 400 mAh of NiMH power. This ensures long-lasting performance and dependable energy for your cordless handsets. They are a direct replacement for several original battery models. Please double-check your existing battery model to ensure a perfect match. It's crucial to note that these are not compatible with BT1-83482 BT2-83482 types. Confirming this step guarantees you get the right power solution. What we like. This battery offers broad compatibility with numerous Vtech and AT&T cordless phone models. It's a reliable NiMH rechargeable option to replace your worn-out phone batteries. If you own one of the many compatible cordless phone models and need a dependable, cost-effective replacement, this pack is a great solution. What people say. Number 1. BLAVOR Solar Wireless Power Bank 20,000 mAh. This ultimate charging solution powers up to 6 devices at once. It features 4 built-in cables and 3 additional charging ports. Plus, it includes a special wireless area for your phones and Apple Watch, making it incredibly versatile. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety with its whopping 20,000 mAh capacity. This device provides multiple charges for your gadgets, like 4 for an iPhone or 37 for an Apple Watch. Its USB-C port also supports 20W fast charging, powering your phone in just 50 minutes. This isn't just a charger, it enhances your outdoor experience. It comes equipped with a multi-mode flashlight, a camping light, and a red indicator. Plus, it includes a compass, thermometer, carabiner, and rope, making it your ultimate companion for any adventure or emergency. Built to withstand anything nature throws at it, this device is a true warrior. Its flame-retardant shell and waterproof silicone protection make it waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. It handles extreme conditions with ease, ready for any adventure you embark on. Your device's safety is a top priority with this charger. It comes equipped with cutting-edge safety features. With overcharging, overdischarge, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, you can charge your devices with complete peace of mind. What we like. This robust power bank is a true multitasking marvel, capable of charging up to 6 devices simultaneously with its built-in cables and wireless charging. It boasts a massive 20,000 mAh capacity and 20W fast charging, ensuring your devices stay powered for extended periods. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or need an emergency-ready charger with a flashlight, compass, and extreme durability, this is the ultimate companion. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.